Good morning, students. Hope you all are well at home. In our previous video, we knew about the building numbers. Today, in this video, we will see the rounding numbers. How can we round the numbers? Okay, let's see. Rounding of numbers helps in quickly estimating an answer. Estimating means अनुमान लगाना किसी भी आंसर का. To a problem. The answer may not be accurate but would be quite close to the actual answer. The example, at a shop the cost of a pair of shoes is rupees 899 and a pair of socks is at the rupees of 99. So to get an idea of what our total bill would be, we can think of these prices to be 899. We can write this 900 and 99. We can write this 100. So, what would be the total amount? The total amount will be 900 plus rupees 100 equals to rupees 1000. About 1000. Why we write about 1000? Because it's not the exact totaling. It's not the exact totaling. It's estimate total. Estimate means अनुमान लगाना. हम अनुमान लगा सकते कि टोटल 1000 के आसपास कुछ होगा, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट 1000 नहीं. Now we will know that how can we round to the nearest 10. To round a number to the nearest 10, look at first the digit at one's place. 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Then replace by 0. And the next one is no change at the digit of tens place. Here is an example. At first, ones place, tens place. Now we take an example. 82. So what is the digit of tens place? 8. So here is same 8 and here is 2. So it's replaced by 0. Here is another example. 54. So at first we round the tens digit. The next one is 4. Here is 4. So the tens digit will no change. So 5 at the same and 4 we replace by 0. Here is another example. 60. So the tens place digit is 6 and ones place digit is 0. The tens place digit will be no change. So it is 6 and 0 will be 0. Here is another example of 3-digit number. 100 tens ones. 154, 53. So at first we round up the tens digit number. What is this? 5. So at first we write 1, same. 5 will no change, tens place. And here is 3. Where is 3? Here is 3. So it will change in 0. Okay. Here is another example. 5, 4, 1. At first, take the tens place. Tens place digit is 4. That is no change. So, we write this 100 place at the same. Tens place, no change. At the ones place is 1. Where is 1? Here is 1. So it will change by 0. If ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then it will also replace by 0 and increase 1 at tens place. Here is an example. Ones place, tens place. 86. At first we round the tens digit. And what is the number of ones digit? Ones digit में क्या number है? 6. So where is 6? Here is 6. So ये किस में change होगा? 0. So at first we change the ones digit. It will replace by, ये किस में replace होगा? 0. 6 0 में replace हो गया. And increase 1 at the tens place. Tens place में number क्या है? 8. So it will increase by 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. The tens digit will be 9. Okay. Next, another example. 59. At first we round up the tens digit, then ones digit 9. So 9 किस में change होगा? 0. Ones place 0. And 5 will increase 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Next. 3 digit number. Ones, tens, 100. So we take an example. 1, 8, 5. At first we round up the tens place. What is the digit of ones place? 5. So it will also replaced by 0. And increase 1 at tens place. So 8 plus 1, 9. And 100 place at the same. Okay. Here is another example. At first we round up the tens digit. और ones place में क्या है? 7. So it will replace by 0. Tens place में क्या है? 7. So increase 1. 7 plus 1. Tens place में 8. And 5 same. we can say that in shortly, if the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will replace by 0, and the 10th place it will be same. And if the ones place will be 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, it will replace by also 0, but add 1 in 10th place. Today we see that how can we round to nearest 10. In our next class we will see that how can we round to nearest 100. Thank you. Be safe at home.